Look around your desk or bedside table. Phones, earbuds, watches, tablets, all fighting for a charging spot. Then there's this one device that somehow powers everything at once, the charging hub. No explosions, no confusion, just plug in and it works. But how does one small box safely charge so many devices at the same time? Today we're uncovering the mystery behind charging hubs in simple terms anyone can understand. Charging hubs exist because our gadget count exploded. Years ago, one charger was enough. Now we have smartphones, smartwatches, earbuds, power banks, tablets, using separate chargers for everything creates clutter, wasted outlets, tangled cables. Charging hubs solve this by becoming a central power station for all your devices. A common question is, isn't charging multiple devices dangerous? It sounds risky, but it's not. Modern charging hubs are designed with smart power management. They don't blindly push power. They communicate with your devices and only send what's needed. Think of it like a smart waiter. Each device orders power. The hub serves exactly that amount, no more, no less. Inside a charging hub is a small power controller. This controller measures how much power each device needs, adjusts output in real time, protects against overheating. When you plug in a phone, a tablet, earbuds, each one gets its own lane of power. If one device finishes charging, the hub redistributes power to the others automatically. Here's the cool part. Fast charging still works even with multiple devices connected. That's because modern hubs support USB power delivery, quick charge, adaptive charging protocols. I can handle 30 watts. Okay, here you go. Safety always comes first. Charging hubs are packed with safety features, temperature sensors, surge protection, short circuit prevention, automatic shutdown. If something goes wrong, the hub reduces power or stops charging completely. That's why a good charging hub feels warm, not hot. Not all charging hubs are equal. Better hubs use higher quality components, smarter power chips, better heat management. Cheaper hubs may charge slower, heat up more, lack safety certifications. That's why it's important to choose hubs from trusted brands. Charging hubs are evolving fast. We're seeing wireless charging built in, smaller designs with more power, GaN technology for efficiency. In the future, one hub might power your laptop, your phone, your entire desk setup, all from a single wall outlet. So the mystery behind charging hubs isn't magic. It's smart engineering. Controlled power, real-time communication, built-in safety. That little box on your desk is quietly managing electricity, so your gadgets stay safe and charged. Next time you plug in multiple devices, you'll know exactly what's happening behind the scenes. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more simple explanations of the everyday tech you use all the time.